Ted.
And I'm Hugh with ramen.
Guys, this is a new series for us, and we're going to be aiming to review all the ramens out there.
The gist of it is, we're going to be reviewing every single instant noodle out there.
What we're going to be trying to do is help you get a better view of what ramen is for you. So this week, we're going to start off with this lovely packet. It's called Xiaomi Hoi XO sauce seafood flavour. We're going to start off by giving our first impressions of the packaging.
Quite nice yellow colour.
So it does stand out to the eye in my opinion.
Nice little chili pepper pattern, but no one really cares about the packaging, to be honest.
We're going to launch into the ingredients and nutritional information on the back. Oh wow, so my first impressions, there's obviously a lot of fat in this, and palm oil, which is actually terrible for the environment. So as a student or anyone at home, you shouldn't really be eating this. But having said that, it might make up for it in the taste.
Great! Doesn't sound good. Anyway.
On the front it says, not safe for consumption.
Really just quite unhealthy, to be honest.
Yeah. Okay, so this is obviously very, very terrible for the environment and your body.
Okay guys, so as far as nutritional value and information goes, I'm going to be giving it a 3 out of 10 because of its horrible impact on our bodies and the planet.
Okay, as far as pricing goes, we found on the internet a few options. So from eBay we found that 30 packets cost about 16 quid, and from Amazon 30 packets cost about 19 quid.
It's alright, but it's not the best. There's definitely some better prices out there.
It's pretty good, it's about 65p per pack, which is alright.
Yeah.
But if you're looking to be really, really stingy, then it's not for you. I think I'd give it about a 5 out of 10 for pricing and value for money.
5 out of 10. Right, so cooking preparation. We're going to need 500 ml of boiling water, a pan, some tongs, a bowl, and a fork. Most importantly, a colander.
So firstly, we're going to get the hob hot, and then we're going to pour the water in. So firstly, we're going to take our bowl, place it on our surface, get our seasoning sachets. So here we've got our salty dry goods, and here we've got the oily shit. Firstly, we're going to get some scissors.
The list.
So one of our first problems is these seasoning sachets are very hard to open.
Once your water's starting to come to a boil, you want to put all the noodles in there. It takes about 3 minutes for these bad boys to cook.
Right, so over here, we've got all our salty, oily shit. We have to place some boiling water inside this bowl. So you can see here, we've got our boiling water tap. So as you might be aware, it looks really shitty horrible right now. But I can assure you it'll be very tasty. And something that you won't notice is the smell that you can gather from this.
Alright, so these noodles are pretty much done now. So we're going to head over to the sink area. Just going to gently pour these noodles through the colander. This is where the magic happens. And that's it. That's the soup noodles.
So now we're going to rate the overall ease of cooking and usability for customers.
I think it was quite easy to cook in general, but it did require quite a lot of utensils, so that can be a lot of washing up afterwards.
And in my opinion, it didn't take very long to cook, about 6 minutes, but I think you do require sort of kitchen environment, so it's perfect for students. As far as ease of cooking goes, I'd say it's about a 6 out of 10, which is decent, it's pretty good. If you have a kitchen, it's perfect and it's very easy. So now we're going to move on to a taste test and rating. So my initial thoughts are the taste and texture. I quite like the noodles, they're pretty basic though. The broth is actually really nice. It's got a bit of a kick when
Very spicy actually.
A big downfall of mine the mess it leaves on the table if you.
I mean, look at that. You can't be having that. If you're on a date or something, it's not ideal. It's not ideal.
If you're into your seafood dishes, it's really nice. If you're into your chili, it's really nice. It's pretty basic, but
Yeah.
I quite like it. So I'm going to give it a 8 out of 10 for flavour and taste.
I think I give it a 7 out of 10 because in general, I'm not as fond on the fish flavour, but to be honest, I can see it has potential.
Okay guys, so after weighing up all the different categories, I've decided to give this dish a 5 out of 10. Okay guys, before you go, please smash subscribe and hit the like button, and stay tuned for a video next week. Okay guys, having said that, thank you for watching and have a great day.